Hey guys, welcome to Brand New Life. I'm James.
I'm Delisa.
And this is JW. Hey guys, this is James with Brand New Life. We're at our third spot on Hickory Creek RV park and camping ground. So I just wanted to get some footage for you guys so y'all can see how we're living out here. This is the life. They have all types of trails and everything that you can go down and enjoy yourself and everything. And I mean, the view is wonderful. I mean, the view is just so awesome. Hey guys, this is James with Brand New Life. I'm getting ready to cook me and baby a meal. And you know, I'm a budding chef. I should be considered as one because I'm a bad man when it comes to this cooking, because I love to eat. And if you look at me, I'm kind of fat almost. But anyway, I'm getting ready to make her a chicken, vegan chicken stir fry with some Gardein.
Y'all, and this gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
Okay, then I'm gonna take me. I was gonna make me a steak stir fry, but instead I'm gonna use ground beef and make me a stir fry. A stir fry with that, and I'm not cutting it out. So I'm gonna show you the process and what vegetables and what seasonings and how much and everything that I'm gonna put in there. So with that said, I'm going to work. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do first is my vegetable prep. Now, wifey, give me a water over here. Wifey is a little peculiar about the water. She's not peculiar about the water that she uses on her food. So it has to be bottled water. Me, I use the water right out the sink because I'm not messed. Because I'm not that messed up. Okay, so one of the things that I'm going to do is, one of the things I'm going to do right now is I'm going to wash my mushrooms. I'm going to wash my mushrooms, and then let me see how many I'm going to use. So I'm making 2 dishes. I'm going to use 6 mushrooms. Put these in the freezer. Please let me do it. Let me get on this. Okay, so I'm going to take the bottled water because she's standing there, you know, kind of watching me and going, so I'm going to take the bottled water and rinse off my mushrooms.
Bye, y'all.
Yes, thank you so much. Talk to you later. Love you. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my mushrooms first. Now, some people like to dice their mushrooms. I love mushrooms to the point where I eat mushroom burgers with nothing but mushrooms, and I season them a certain way. Put me some cheese on there and make me a burger out of it. Lettuce, tomatoes, the whole hookup right there. And so I love those. Okay. So that's my mushrooms. Now everything else I won't need to wash because it's already washed. And this here should be plenty because I'm not trying to make it hot. I just want it to have a slight little bite. Man, this is James with Brand New Life. This is what we wake up to in the mornings. Man, this lifestyle is awesome. Look at all of those birds. Should I say waterfowl? Man, let's get a little closer. A little close up here. Dang, that's 20 times on. Figure out a way to incorporate this in my videos. Wow. Okay.